that small can of tomato paste in your kitchen might be leaking BPA into your food. BPA, it's an industrial chemical that has been used to make certain plastics and resins since the 19th. You see, back in the olden times, this chemical was considered safe. However, over the years, studies have shown that BPA may cause adverse health effects in humans. And as a result, the use of BPA has been restricted in baby bottles, sippy cups, and baby formula. But did you know that it is also found in the lining of metal products, such as the can of tomato paste? In fact, many canned foods such as soups, stews, fruits and vegetables, as well as fish and meats are all packaged in metal cans, lined with this chemical. And while the FDA insists that the amount of BPA that leaches into our food is safe, an increasing number of studies have linked BPA exposure to a variety of health problems, including liver diseases, cardiovascular diseases, behavioral changes, brain development issues, as well as an increased risk in the development of prostate cancer. Now, considering these health risks, some of us might want to avoid this chemical as much as possible. So here are 5 things that you can do to reduce your exposure to BPA. First, stop heating or microwaving the can. The higher the temperature, the more likely it is to leach into your food. So always heat the food in a container made out of glass or ceramic. If you're looking for a healthier alternative, switch to glass jars. Many brands now sell their products in glass jars, which not only prevents leaching, but also allows you to reuse the jar. You can use it to store food in your fridge or even upcycle it into a drinking vessel. If you're really concerned about the amount of BPA in your food, then consider avoiding canned foods altogether and cook your own. That way you can avoid the risk of BPA leaching into your food. If you're buying canned foods, make sure to check the labels. Some brands are now labeling their products as BPA-free. Also, when it comes to canned tomatoes, opt for glass jars instead. They might cost slightly more, but the health benefits far outweigh the additional cost. And finally, don't just throw away those metal cans. Clean them thoroughly, remove the label, and make sure to puncture the bottom of the can. Then, you can recycle it.